Hey creators, coaches, and digital marketers. Ever dreamt of selling your own AI-powered app without touching a single line of code? What if you could skip all the tech headaches and instantly launch branded GPTs that generate leads, sales, and authority every single month? Stick with me because I'm about to show you how the GPT Creator Club makes that not just possible, but incredibly easy. Let's be real, you've seen the explosion of custom GPTs all over the internet. They're everywhere, helping people build lists, automate content, even sell high-ticket offers. And while it looks easy from the outside, behind the scenes it's a grind. Writing perfect prompts, testing and tweaking, writing sales copy, email sequences, designing pages, only to cross your fingers and hope it actually works. Truth is, most people stay stuck on the sidelines, overwhelmed, confused, and watching others win the AI game. But what if you could skip all that? Introducing the GPT Creator Club, your monthly plug-and-play system for launching fully built, white-label AI tools without doing any of the heavy lifting. Here's what you get every month. A professionally built custom GPT full white label rights. Rebrand and sell it as your own sales page copy ready to deploy. High converting email sequences. Social media captions for X, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Video training plus user guide. Ongoing support so you're never alone. All done for you. All under your brand. All ready to go. Still wondering what exactly is a GPT? A GPT, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is like a mini app built inside ChatGPT. It's trained to perform specific tasks like writing blogs, creating email content, generating business ideas, or solving real-world problems. The result, a powerful AI tool your customers will actually use and value. Let's be clear, the AI boom is now. Custom GPTs are changing the game in every niche. They're being shared, sold, and used to generate traffic, leads, and sales like crazy. Whether you're a coach, creator, or marketer, GPTs give you a new revenue stream. And GPT Creator Club hands it to you on a silver platter. No guesswork, no burnout, just results. Imagine offering a branded GPT that writes story-driven emails, builds smart goals, or even designs logos, all within seconds. That's exactly what's being delivered inside the club. And you can sell it, share it, or use it as a powerful lead magnet. You can use GPTs for your own business. Sell them as standalone digital products. Use them as free lead magnets. Bundle them into affiliate offers. Add them to the GPT store and earn passive income. Offer them as client bonuses or consulting tools. Plus, no hosting, no extra tech. It's all handled by OpenAI. You just share the link. This is perfect for you. If you're a beginner who wants done for you. AI tools. A busy entrepreneur who doesn't want to deal with prompts or tech. A coach or consultant who wants high-value digital products under your name. Or a marketer who wants plug-and-play funnels you can promote today. This is not for you if you're looking for a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a real business tool, and it works when you work it. Join now, and you'll also unlock over 600 plus in fast action bonuses. 3 extra GPTs ready to sell. One-on-one strategy call with Randy. Your GPT ideas built by the team. Access to back issues with the VIP plan. A second follow-up strategy session to keep you on track. All of this is yours when you join. For as little as $37,000 a month, or grab VIP access for a one-time $297. No recurring fees ever. Still on the fence? You're covered by a 14-day love it or leave it guarantee. Try it. Download your GPTs, launch your first AI product, And if it's not for you, you'll get every penny back. No questions, no hoops. You keep what you downloaded. That's how confident John and Randy are in what this can do for you. Don't miss this window. Click the link below to watch the full replay and grab VIP access while the bonuses are still live. You'll be up and running with your first GPT today. And this time next month, your audience could be using your AI tool to grow their business. The future of digital products is here, and it's powered by AI. Join the GPT Creator Club now. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI-powered strategies, and drop your questions in the comments. I'll see you inside the GPT Creator Club, where your next big product is already done for you.